In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize your own website using Google Sites. Whether you're looking to set up a simple personal blog, a portfolio, or a project website, Google Sites offers a user-friendly platform that makes it accessible for everyone, even if you're not tech savvy. Let's start by navigating to the Google Sites homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in Google Sites into the search bar. It's usually the first result that pops up. Click on it and you'll be directed to the Google Sites main page. If you're not already signed into your Google account, now's the time to do so. This is crucial because Google Sites integrates with your Google account, just like other Google services. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, you'll see a clean, minimalist interface. This is where the magic begins. Notice there are templates available for a quick start. You can choose one of those, or if you prefer starting from scratch, click on the blank option to create a site without any preset layouts. Now let's talk about customization, which is perhaps one of the most exciting parts of creating your site. To add some visual appeal, you might want to select a specific background. On the left panel, find the Section Colors button. Click on it and you'll see an option labeled Image. Go ahead and click on Image and then select Upload. This is where you can browse through your computer to find an image you'd like to use as your site's background. Once you've found that perfect image, click Insert and watch as your background comes to life on your site. Remember, the image you choose can set the tone for your entire website, so choose one that aligns with the vibe you want to give off. If you're creating a portfolio, maybe something simple and clean will work best. For a personal blog, perhaps a vibrant landscape would do the trick. Whatever you choose, make sure it resonates with your website's purpose. With these simple steps, you've not only set up a presence on the web, but also ensured that it represents you or your brand authentically. Google Sites makes it so straightforward that within just a few clicks, you're able to craft something functional and visually appealing. And just like that, you're done. You've made great progress by setting up your own space on the internet, and the best part is there's so much more to explore and customize on Google Sites. Keep experimenting with different elements, layouts, and functionalities. With each edition, your website will become more personalized and tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching and happy creating.